You can't export your GarageBand for iPad or iPhone songs as MP3 files for some reason, but in this video I'll share a quick and easy workaround. To do this workaround, we're first going to export our song as an uncompressed WAV file from GarageBand and then use a free and completely legit file converter to change it into an MP3 file. First off, here is the song that I want to share. The first thing I need to do is tap here on the My Songs button. I'll be taken to the Recents tab and the song I was just working on is right here. If I tap on and hold the file, this menu pops up. I want to select Share here. In this menu, I can choose to share the song as an audio file, ringtone, or as a project file. I want to share as an audio file, so I'll tap on this option. In this next menu, I can select the quality and format that the file will be shared in. The low quality to highest quality options will share the song as a compressed M4A file. This is actually really similar to a compressed MP3 file, it's just Apple's own proprietary file type. The Apple lossless, AIFF and WAV file types are also really similar to each other in terms of quality and file size. To keep things simple though, I'll select WAV here as it is by far the most commonly used uncompressed audio file type. With all that done, I can hit Share. In this menu, I can choose where the file will be shared to. I'll select Share to Files so that it's easy to find when I come to convert it to an MP3 file. The song will export and then I have the option of where in the Files app to save it. I'll choose to save it to my iPad. I can also rename the file at this point at the bottom here. Now that that's done, I'll jump over to my iPad's web browser for the next bit. I'm using Safari here, but whatever browser you're using will work too. If you search WAV to MP3 converter in your search engine of choice, you will get thousands of options. Personally, I like Convertio.co as it's quick, free and easy, but whatever service or site you want to use will probably be fine. Just make sure that you're not paying to convert these files, as there are lots and lots of free sites out there. In Convertio.co, I need to tap on the Choose Files button, select Choose Files from the menu, and then the WAV file I want to convert is right here. When I tap Open, the file is added, and I can choose what file format I want to convert it into here. MP3 is obviously the one we want. I'll hit Convert, and within seconds the file is converted and I can download it. It actually lands in the Recents tab of the Files app, which is really easy to get to. And from there, my GarageBand song is ready to be shared as an MP3 file. I have no idea why Apple still don't let us share these files as MP3s direct from GarageBand, but for now, this works as a really quick and easy workaround. Give that like button a slap if you found this video helpful, and stick around for another video that I think you'll find really useful.